Are you tired of side hustles that promise the world, but require a huge upfront investment in ads or a massive social media following? What if I told you there's a better way? I recently made over $2,500 in just 30 days selling simple PDF ebooks. It sounds unbelievable, but I achieved this with absolutely zero ad spend, without building a complicated website, and starting with just a single follower. You heard that right. This isn't a fluke, it's a repeatable system. And in this video, I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint I use to turn a simple document into a consistent source of passive income. If you follow this guide precisely, hitting $10,000 months is not just a dream, it's a very achievable goal. But I have to warn you, this is a system where every single detail matters. If you miss just one component, it simply won't work. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's dive in. Step 1. Picking your niche. A staggering 97% of people get this wrong. They spend hours writing an ebook and end up with zero sales. It's not because the content sucks, or because the market is too competitive. It's because they chose a niche nobody is willing to pay for. They built a solution for a problem that wasn't urgent enough for people to open their wallets. But you can avoid this trap. Here's the secret formula. Profitable ideas are born from pain. If someone has a problem that is genuinely painful, they won't just look for a solution, they'll pay to fix it. This is an urgent need, not a casual interest. They're also driven by strong desire. If someone desperately wants a specific outcome, they'll pay for a roadmap to get there faster. Your expertise becomes their shortcut to success. So your job is to get laser-focused. Find one problem, one promise, and one solution. That's the core of your winning niche. For example, I started with make money online. Too general. I narrowed it to digital marketing. Better. Then affiliate marketing. Perfect. Why? It targeted a specific audience with a clear desire, allowing me to show real results and give a step-by-step blueprint people actually want. Before you write anything, make sure people actually care. Go to Threads, search your niche. Don't look for viral posts, look for proof. Even 10 likes, a few replies, that's enough. If no one's talking about it, pick another niche. For me, the demand was obvious. Step 3, your account. This is your sales machine. Do it wrong, no one sees you. Sign up through Instagram, not your personal account. Profile name, your name, plus niche. Olivia James, digital marketer. Builds trust. Profile pic, high-quality photo, or a realistic AI-generated one. Humans buy from humans. Bio. 3 things only. Prove results, promise transformation, include a strong call to action. Done right, people stop, trust you, and click. Done wrong. Crickets. Now, let's make your ebook. We're using ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting, so forget staring at a blank page. I've got exact prompts ready. Simply copy, paste, and follow these steps to bring your digital product to life. First, prompt 1. Tell ChatGPT who you are and your results to train it on your expertise. Next, use prompt 2 to get 10 killer title ideas. Your title is crucial, so pick the one that creates the most curiosity and makes you want to click. Third, use prompt 3 to generate a complete chapter outline. Review it and ask the AI to adjust weak chapters. Once the skeleton is solid, use prompt 4 to generate each chapter. This part is incredibly fast, about 3 minutes per chapter max. Finally, prompt 5 creates a powerful intro addressing pain points and establishing your authority. But remember, AI gives you the bones. Your job is to add the heart. Read it out loud to fix robotic sentences. Weave in personal stories, add screenshots, and show results. Always ask, would I actually buy this? If the answer is no, tweak it until you're proud of it. Next, Canva. Free account is enough. Pick a multi-page ebook template. Cover, title plus subtitle. Make it pop. Table of contents, paste from ChatGPT. Main content, 1 chapter at a time. Add visuals, screenshots, photos, proof. Download as PDF. Boom. Your ebook looks professional. Gumroad handles sales. Free to start, only pay 10% per sale. Profile, real name, niche photo, quick bio. New product, use your ebook title, set price $10. Description, use ChatGPT prompt for a killer, click-inducing description. Upload PDF plus cover image. Hit publish. Your ebook is live. Now traffic. Here's what to do daily. Follow 10 people in your niche. Watch what posts get likes, replies, shares. Steal their hooks, adapt them. Use ChatGPT to rewrite them in your voice. Post 8 to 10 value threads daily. Tips, strategies, pain points, mindset shifts. Drop 1-2 soft promo threads linking to your ebook. No pushy sales, just connect the dots. Don't post the same threads. Mix it up. Show up even if no one reacts. If your content solves real problems, sales will come. Do this right, and 2 months from now you'll be DMing me saying, I made X, thanks for the blueprint. Start today, follow each step, miss one, and it won't work.